Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 368, that is largest divisible subset. And in this we'll be given a set of distinct positive integer nums, and we have to return the largest subset answer, so that every pair, that is answer I and answer j, of elements in these subsets, and it should satisfy these this condition, that is answer I mod answer j should be equal to 0, or answer j mod answer I should be equal to 0. Okay, so and if there will be multiple solutions, we can return any of them. So for example, in this test case, we are given nums is equal to 1 to 3. So as 2 is divisible by 1, so 1 2 is a valid answer, or 1 3 could also be a valid answer. Okay, so this is a dynamic programming question, and we will be storing the maximum number of elements which we can form in the subset up to a current index, and for every index we'll be storing that. Okay, so let's have a DP array that is equal to new int nums dot length, and now let's fill this array, basically arrays dot fill dp comma 1, and also let's just sort the array, arrays dot sort now. Okay, and yeah, now let's have two variables, and these are the maximum size which we can have of the array, of the answer array, that is, let's say 1, and the maximum index from till where we can go is, let's say 0. Okay, so and now let's have a for loop, and we'll be finding all the subsets, that for int I equal to 1, I less than nums dot length I plus plus, and then for int j equal to 0, j less than I, j plus plus, and okay, and here we'll be checking that if nums I mod nums j is equal to 0, then what we'll be checking, that dpi should be equal to maximum of dpi or dpj plus 1. And here we'll be checking that if my dpi is greater than maximum size. Okay, so then what we'll be doing, I'll be setting that my maximum size which I can attain is the current size, that is dpi, and I'll be setting my maximum index till where I can go is I. Okay, and after this for loop we'll just have to remain to create the answer list. So let's create a list of integer. Okay, so that is answer, and new array list. Okay, so and let's have a num, because we need is that every number should be divisible. Okay, so and nums is equal to nums, the number present at the maximum index. Okay, so then let's run a for loop, that for int I equal to maximum index, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus, and here I'll be checking that if nums okay, sorry, so num mod nums I is equal to 0, then what I have to do, I have to add that it to my answer list, that is answer dot add nums I, and then I'll be decreasing the size, maximum size minus minus, and also I'll be setting my num will be equal to nums I. Okay, and at the end we'll just have to return the answer list. Now let's run it. And it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And okay, so it's failing some of the test cases. Output 240 and 10 expected 48 to okay, so let's just have a look here only. And no, okay, oh, sorry, I forgot that here I don't have to reduce everyone, that my DPI should be equal to maximum size also. Okay, so now and okay, so okay, so yeah, now let's submit it. and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.